GoHighLevel Review 2026. My honest review after 6 years of using it. If you've been researching GoHighLevel, you're probably trying to figure out these three things: what it actually does, whether it's worth the price, and if it can really help your business. So instead of giving you another "this software changed my life overnight" review, I want to give you something a little more useful. Before we get started, I wanted to share a bit about my background so you understand where the GoHighLevel review is coming from. My name is Benjamin Kepner. I'm the CEO of Global Social Media Marketing, a US-based marketing agency, as well as Sweet Courses, a marketing e-learning platform. I've been working in the marketing industry for over 15 years, helping businesses generate leads, grow their revenue, and improve their marketing and automation systems. I've personally been using GoHighLevel for over 6 years. We use it extensively inside our agency, for our clients, and for our e-learning platform. To be transparent, I'm also a high-level affiliate. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can use my link in the description below. With my affiliate link, you can get a 30-day free trial instead of a 14-day free trial. But this isn't a review based on a free trial or a weekend of clicking random buttons and pretending to be an expert. It's based on years of real-world experience using the platform across multiple businesses and client accounts. We'll cover what it does well, who it's best suited for, and whether it's actually worth your money. By the end of this video, you'll know whether GoHighLevel is the right fit for your business. What is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel, often referred to as High Level, is an all-in-one sales, marketing, and customer relationship management platform designed specifically for marketing agencies, consultants, and service-based businesses. It consolidates an entire tech stack into a single unified dashboard that can replace expensive and scattered tools. Instead of having one platform for your CRM, another for your email marketing, another for landing pages, another for appointment scheduling, another for automation, and another one you forgot you were still paying for, GoHighLevel brings everything together under one roof. The goal is simple: fewer logins, fewer subscriptions, fewer integrations breaking at 2 a.m, and fewer headaches. Now that sounds fantastic in theory. The real question is, does it actually work that way in practice? Let's find out. Who is GoHighLevel really for? Before we talk about features, let's talk about who this platform is actually built for. In my opinion, GoHighLevel is ideal for marketing agencies, small to medium-sized businesses, entrepreneurs, coaching or consulting businesses, freelancers managing multiple clients, or local service-based companies that rely on appointments, leads, and follow-up automation. If you're actively generating leads and managing customer relationships, you'll probably find a lot of value here. Feature 1, CRM and pipeline management. Let's start with one of the most important features, the CRM. This is where all of your contacts, leads, and opportunities live. Currently, we have over 23,000 contacts in our database. Managing that many contacts manually would be a nightmare. The reason it's manageable is that high-level CRM organizes and segments contacts effectively. We use tags extensively. If someone is a roofing lead, we add a roofing tag. If someone is related to guest posting, we add a guest post tag. Tags help to segment contacts, personalize communication, and engage with the right people at the right time. As your database grows, proper tagging becomes incredibly important. Without it, your CRM contacts will become difficult to organize or market to effectively. Another feature I regularly use is Smart Lists. Smart Lists automatically group contacts based on specific criteria. For example, you can create lists for leads with certain tags, pipeline stage, or specific actions. This makes finding and managing contacts much faster. HighLevel also supports importing and exporting contacts. which is essential if you're migrating from another CRM or need to work with your data outside the platform. You can also create custom fields to store information unique to your business, such as service type, lead source, monthly budget, industry, or any other data point you can think of. Next is bulk actions. Instead of updating contacts one at a time, you can perform bulk actions across large groups of contacts. For example, you can merge contacts, import or export records, delete contacts, add or remove tags, send emails and SMS messages, and update records in bulk. This may not sound exciting, but when you're managing thousands of contacts, these features can save hours of administrative work. With the high-level opportunities feature, you can organize prospects into different stages of your sales process. For example, new lead, contacted, appointment scheduled, proposal sent, closed won, closed lost, simple, yes. Useful, absolutely. One thing I've learned over the years is that businesses often lose leads because they lose track of them. A CRM helps prevent that. One thing I particularly like is how easy it is to identify bottlenecks with pipelines. If leads are piling up in one stage and not moving forward, you can spot the problem quickly. Overall, the CRM is solid, practical, and does exactly what we need it to do. Feature number 2, marketing automation. Now let's talk about what many people consider HighLevel's biggest strength, automation. This is where things start to get a little bit interesting. Imagine someone fills out a form on your website. Automatically, they receive a text message, they receive an email, they're added to your CRM, a task is created, your sales team gets notified, and follow-up sequences begin, all without any manual action after setup. The only real effort happens when you build the workflow. After that, it runs in the background automatically 24/7. Automation is one of those things that's incredibly boring to set up and incredibly exciting once it's actually working. It's like meal prepping. Nobody enjoys doing it, but everyone enjoys a meal. GoHighLevel's workflow feature is what powers this. It allows you to design a process once and let the system execute it based on predefined triggers and conditions. One of the biggest challenges we faced using HighLevel was the manual handling of repetitive tasks. Many of these tasks weren't difficult, they were just repetitive. And when you're repeating the same process every day, those hours add up quickly. Hours that could be spent generating leads, closing sales, or serving clients. HighLevel automation workflows helped us solve that problem. Automating lead follow-up and client communication has helped us create more consistent systems and reduce manual work across multiple accounts. For businesses that rely on lead generation, this can dramatically improve response times and conversion rates. The reality is that many businesses lose opportunities simply because they don't follow up quickly enough. Automation helps solve that problem.